Good morning, Sebastian. So it's a little difficult to tell how you have your feather settings. You're in the move tool, which is fine. But I can see that you have some layers off in the image that you showed me. I don't know maybe if that's why you think you're seeing so much white. I'm just going to kind of do an example. And if you even want to send me a video back of what you're doing and what is happening, that may help me address what's going on. So I'm going to put this picture in the center to start with. I have these layers turned off. I'm going to go to my marquee tool. I'm going to set my feather. I'm going to go to 20. And I'm going to make my selection. I'm going to do a select inverse. And I can tell from the picture that you sent, I'm pretty sure you are doing a select inverse. And I'm going to hit delete. Now, the more times I hit delete, the more that's going to disappear. Or the larger my feather is, the more that's going to disappear each time. So this would somewhat appear as a white feather, but really it is not a white feather. It's a white background that I have turned on. And then if I were to turn my other images on, I would see my other images in the background. So looks like I actually pasted that one in there twice. Let me get rid of that one. You can see right now this image is feathered on the edge and it's over top of my other image. Now if I turn this one off, go to this one, I'm going to work with my elliptical marquee, so I will need to reset the feather, and I'm actually going to be really drastic. I'm going to set it to 120, which is probably too much, but so you can see the results. I'm going to do my select inverse, and you can see, let me turn my white background on, so it's fading it a whole lot. So I don't know if it's possible, maybe you have your feather up really high, or maybe it's this background, or maybe when you turn your other images on. These are just some suggestions of items you might want to take a look at. I'm just going to backspace out of this. So I'm going to set my feather. I'm only going to go to a 30 this time because that's much more reasonable for this image. Make my selection, select inverse, and hit my delete key a few times. Turn my white background on and turn my other image on. So I don't know. Let me know. These suggestions might help. So let's see what you can do. Let me know.